Now I have my oxtail, vegan oxtail that has been marinated for 24 hours, and I'm about to make my oxtail sauce now, guys. This is what I have prepared to use along with my other, essential seasonings, powdered seasoning and stuff. But let me just show you right quick. Some thyme, scallion, ginger, garlic. I have half of a onion. I have some tomatoes and some bell peppers. Of course, you can't leave home without your classic butter bean. The other ingredients, I will list them in the space below in the description box of the video. And of course, if you continue to watch, you will see me add some stuff. And also some pepper. I need to add Scotch bonnet pepper. So the next thing I'm going to do, and the first thing I'm going to do now, is I'm going to start frying up my vegan oxtails. So that's the next step. All right. I have to cut it. I'm sure I'm going to cut it. Yes. You pretty much just want them to cook in that medium heat, and you want them to actually take on the consistency of meat, so I'm just taking out one out of the pot and show you. See, up on the edge then. Okay, and then the celery roll up nicely in there like a bone. Me don't know. Some people use other things. Me use celery. Just finish up these, and then we're going to start the cooking process. add some water, because you build juices and you want this juice. Yeah? You want this onion to cook down and start flavor your pot. And this is not a rush pot, this is a take time pot. Yeah? Just gonna make this cook down nicely, yeah? Turn up my heat a little bit more. And start building. Once this come up to a boil, then we add more stuff. Yes, sir. Here the wifey is making some spinners, or what we would call small dumplings. And we're just gonna drop these into the gravy. It helps to thicken the gravy, and as well, some folks love oxtail with little flour dough, you know, or slivers of dough in it. It's called spinners. Jamaicans call it spinners. So the wife is making it because she love it. So we're gonna add the spinners to the the gravy. Yeah, oxtail are gone. It starts smell good already. You stay there. So now we're just allowing these spinners to cook, and guys, trust me, if it was up to me I wouldn't put so much spinners, but the wifey loves spinners, so we're not pressure, you understand? Now I'm adding some sugar. Again, you want that umami taste, you want it to nice, and you don't want it too one-sided or off balance, so you're gonna put some sugar. I'm adding good old ketchup, yeah, to make my sauce thick and to enrich the sauce. And you want to sort of halfway build your sauce before you add the protein to it, because again, remember that is enough gravy, you understand? Enough gravy. So once the water come back up to a boil, then you're gonna start building. And this is a very unique ingredients, guys. My oxtail seasoning, yes, from Royal Montego. It's available in the stores in South Florida. You can pick it up in the Latin stores, Jamaican stores. You can pick it up, and it's a very, very good product, guys. And you can add this and it just give you a complete seasoning immediately. It's a wet seasoning and it's available. I would definitely recommend that you guys go and grab it because it's good. All right, and it thickens your sauce immediately and gives you that solid oxtail vibes. Royal Montego is a Jamaican company in South Florida, and so I recommend them. All right, now may I add my vegetables that I cut up. My onions, scallions, sweet pepper or bell peppers. I'm adding those at this time, and we're ready. Almost I come down with the sauce now. We're almost coming down with our sauce. I should have used a bigger pot still. The pot are too little, but all right, I'm gone through the gate already, so I work with it. And you just want to incorporate this and allow the flavors to sit a little bit, and it's time to put in your oxtails. Yes, or your noxtails. Let me add a little bit more water. Yeah. Oxtail time. I say I'm gonna try that little one there, the corner there, so it tastes good. I tell you, I try it already. It tastes good. So now wait no longer. Oh yeah, the wife is ever drop in a pepper. So I drop in a whole Scotch bonnet pepper. Not for the heat, but for the flavor. When you as long as you don't punch at the pepper, the flavor will come out more than the heat. All right. So now it's oxtail time. Look at now. Just make space in the pot and add my oxtails. Oh yes. Oh yes. beautiful taste of this awesome oxtail juice. You just want to sing a song like, put on your red dress. Oi! So there you have it, guys. My beautiful, wonderful and delicious vegan oxtails. Here I paired it with some normal Jamaican rice and peas made with kidney beans and coconut milk, and I have some cucumber and some avocados there. As you can see, the wifey spinners them look very nice on the plate, and the butter bean is just so awesome. The food tastes good, it looks good, and I promise you my family is devouring this as we speak. Hey, check out How to Cook channel. She is the young lady who I got this recipe from. She's the inspiration behind it, and I want to big up those who, inspire me to do good. So check out our channel and subscribe. And remember, guys, turn your hand and make fashion. Use what you have in your neck of the woods to make something nice, make something flavorful, make something wonderful. Remember, like, share, subscribe, comment, and all them something there. And remember to check out the shop now page for Yardie merchandise. Buy something, yeah? Spend a little change with me, man. Support the thing, you understand? Once again, until we come back with another great and delicious dish, this is Yardie. The program is called Taste Buds. Big up on yourself.